So in the given problem, he has given some transistors with the circuits with the resistors, and then he is asking what is the current flowing through 2 kilo ohm resistor. So these transistors, for example, if these two are on, mostly these will be on because all the positive voltage are applying, so these will be on. So if they are on, whatever the current flowing here, the same current will flow here, the same current will flow here, same. So if I say this is I, this is also I, this is also I, because when compared to its collector current, this beta is very less, because if you see here, the relation between collector current and base current is beta into IB, right? So this implies IB equal to IC by beta. So when beta is very high, what does it mean? It means indirectly IB is almost 0. It doesn't mean that it is 0, it is almost 0, right? So same current will flow in this circuit. So I will find out first the current through 1 kilo ohm. The same current will flow through the 2 kilo ohm as well. So now if you see this circuit, now for this you apply voltage division rule. So when you apply voltage division rule, you will get voltage at 1.65k is equal to 10 into 1.65k by 1.65 plus 1.85 plus 6.5 on our kilo ohms. So if you simplify this, you will get 1.65 volts. So this is plus, this is minus, this is 1.65 volts. Now I will apply KCL here. So if I apply KCL here, what I will get? 1.65 minus VBE minus I into 1k equal to 0, right? So this implies I equal to 1.56 minus VBE by 1 kilo. So this is equal to 1.56 minus VB is how much is given? This is a 0.6 by 1 kilo. So this is equal to, if you simplify this, you will get 1.05 milliamperes. So 1.05 milliamperes. So this is the current through 1k. Of course this is also the current flowing through 2 kilo ohms. So the current flowing through 2 kilo ohms is nothing but 1.05 milliamperes.